Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Agra location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Coming to the video, firstly, there is a job opening for the head of trading desk. It is from the company like Raghunandan Money. For this position, the qualifications and experience will include like you should be a graduate with NCFM qualifications, and you must have relevant experience in trading and options, and you should have a minimum 10 years of experience in client trading, and you should have 3 to 4 years of experience as a team leader. These are some qualifications and experience required for this position, and the salary will be 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the loan specialist. It is from Urban Money. For this position, the responsibilities like the candidates should be provide a home loan, loan against property, business loan, and personal loan. For this position, the qualifications will include like experienced candidates are eligible for this position. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is a job opening for the relationship manager of role wedding planner industry, and it is from the Watermelon Management Services Private Limited. For this position, you should have 2 years plus experience, and you should be a graduate. For this position, like the salary will be 20 to 30,000 per month. The work location will be Delhi, and if you see the job requirements, like you should have strong knowledge of Delhi location to make easy communication, and you must have a bachelor's degree, and you should have strong communication, negotiation, and interpersonal skills, and you should have own vehicle to drive and visit nearby area, and you must have local Hindi language knowledge with fluency in writing and speaking, and need to travel to visit clients, partners, sponsors, venues, and other suppliers in Delhi. And also, you are generally working hours in the lead up to event. However, you may need to work extra hours in case required during events. These are some requirements I have provided here for this position. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here, that is recruitment at the rate of sunrisingstaffing.com. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales trainer. It is from InnoSource. For this portion, you should have 1 year plus experience as a sales trainer, and the candidates who has experience as sales trainer lead dealing with product sales can also apply. For this position, like the CTC will be 3.6 lakhs per annum, and the qualifications will be graduation. And if we see the roles and responsibilities, like you are responsible for sales training online and offline, and you would be traveling to the branches for providing sales training, and team handling responsibilities will be there. And if you see the perks and benefits like PF, medical, and insurance, and interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here, that is ankitat@innosource.com. Next one, there is a job opening for the senior manager underwriting client acquisition or servicing. It is from Raghunandan Money. If you see the qualifications and experience required for this position, like you should have a graduate or postgraduate or MBA, and IRDA broker license qualified is mandatory, and you should have minimum 5 to 7 years of experience in the insurance sector, and you should possess the required in-depth knowledge about insurance underwriting and insurance products, and a person retired from insurance companies shall be considered. For this position, the salary will be 3.6 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here, that is career@ourmoneyindia.com. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the Java developer intern. It is from High Touch Technologies Private Limited. For this position, the qualifications will be BE or BTech or MCA. If you see the experience and skills required for this position, you should have experience in software development using Java, J2EE, Spring Boot, Reset services, and you should have hands-on experience of Angular, front-end development and Spring Boot, and you should have strong fundamentals and production grade experience in deploying, managing and enhancing web accessible applications, and you should have experience in analysis, design, coding and implementation of complex custom built applications, and you should be good in grasping new technologies, data structure and related algorithms, and you should have knowledge of REST and SOAP web services, and you should have knowledge of design patterns. These are some skills and experience required for this position. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here, that is hr@hightouchtechnologies.com. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the .NET developer. It is from Influx Infotech. For more information, you please visit the website link provided here. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here, career@influxinfotech.com. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.